I bought my Samsung refrigerator about 7 or 8 months ago, and the ice has stopped working. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You gotta remove this cover, push it upward, and then pull it out. Kind of empty. This is what it looks like on the inside. Frosty. Brand new refrigerator. So I'm going to use this hair dryer and try to melt the ice away. Alright, all defrosted. Took all of 25 minutes. Should be faster if you actually have a functional hair dryer that's not 25 or 30 years old. Anyway, don't forget to press this reset button up here. You'll hear a ding-dong after you press it. Looks a lot better. Let's hope it works. Look at that. It works. Yeah, baby.